Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting for the Bitcoin week ahead. If you do like my analysis and prediction, do consider subscribing for supporting me to make this kind of content. If you like my video, do like, share and comment below. Let's begin. We can see we are currently on an 1 week chart on Bitcoin. We can see that the Bitcoin is currently going through an resistance, as I will show you. Here we can draw an zone. Thus we can see that the resistance is in quite an old resistance zone, which was created around 11 December 2017 and retest was in around 8 July 19. Thus again we recently see an retest from this zone. Now we are again testing the resistance zone. If there is a close of daily candle above the resistance zone or above 10,300, we can consider going long on Bitcoin with an take profit of around 13,140. However, which isn't the case if the Bitcoin bounces off the resistance zone, which I am also expecting it to do. Thus, if currently I am bearish and have an sale position on Bitcoin with an TP just above the previous support and the SL just placed above the resistance line. If there is a breakout, thus my stop loss will hit. That there isn't an breakout and we see that the market is currently testing the resistance and bounces off. Thus, if this trade worked out, our risk to reward would be 1:4. That's quite a good risk to reward. Now going on in 4-hourly chart, we can see an symmetrical triangle being formed. Let me remove it. Here we can see that a symmetrical triangle for Bitcoin is potentially being formed. Thus, a breakout through a breakout upwards, the symmetrical triangle would indicate a bullish momentum continuation. However, the breakout downwards, the Bitcoin would indicate a entry of bearish momentum. The breakout from the trend line with upper resistance will indicate the continuation of bullish momentum. However, if the prices of Bitcoin bounces off the resistance, we can see the end of bullish momentum and then start of bearish momentum. Here I have drawn a zone. What I am expecting for the Bitcoin is a move downwards towards the support and then a breakout through the resistance zone. However, we can potentially see a breakout right away at the Bitcoin, but what I am seeing is that the Bitcoin will test the resistance, then come off 2 bounces of the support line, then the bullish pattern would continue. Thus our analysis on Bitcoin on 1 weekly and 4-hour chart tell us that we should open a short position Now going on in 2-hourly chart, here in 2-hourly chart we can see two channels being formed. One channel has been breaking and the other is in downward or a descending channel, as I will show you. This was an ascending channel formed at the Bitcoin, and we have recently seen an breakout through the ascending channel, and now currently we are forming an descending channel, and that is as I will show you. Here we can see that the Bitcoin has broken out the channel at an 2-hourly chart, but what I am expecting that the breakout is an false breakout, as on higher time frame we can see the pattern which are supporting the bearish momentum. Thus what I am seeing is an fake breakout, and we can experience a bearish move downwards to test the support. Now going on in 1-hourly chart, I will draw an support line on which the Bitcoin can potentially retest and bounces off. Thus this would be our TP for the sale position which I have taken on Bitcoin. The TP would be some around 9,005. Coming on the fundamentals moving the Bitcoin or the economic calendar, I have added that economic calendar in my gold weekly forecast video. Do watch that, as the code currency in both gold XAUUSD and Bitcoin BTC USD are the same. Thus same principle which applies on the economic calendar to the gold will same apply to the fundamental analysis of Bitcoin. The same fundamentals moving the gold would employ to the Bitcoin, as the code currency in both commodity or the currency. Coming on in 30 minutes chart, we can see a clear picture or the M pattern being formed, which has right from 8,200 make an top of around 9,800, a lower movement or a bearish movement to around 9,200, and another top being formed according to my analysis, which is around 9,800. However, the break of this area, which has acted as in support and resistance in past, over here it has acted as in support. A break of this area will indicate or confirm us that the bearish movement in Bitcoin would continue, and our take profit would be some around 9,200. If you like my video, do like, share and comment below to tell me whether do you agree or disagree with my analysis, and do consider